I found that out and I'm like, damn, I really just got scammed. I thought I had a Hellcat Redye the whole time. So it makes sense when the dealership told me that if you look this up, you're not gonna be able to find it. That's why I couldn't find no such thing as a 2018 Hellcat Redye wide body, because the Hellcat Redye wide body did not come out until 2019. I was at some car meets here in Houston as well, and people were telling me, this ain't a Redye, this thing isn't right.
Well, duh.
Put the camera back on me, boy. I was like, yo, you guys gotta fix this. They said the previous owner of this car switched out the damn hood and put Redye badges on this car.
Ha! Got him! Got him!
One of the sales managers, he said, the online listing said wide body.
Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Proverbs 222. The proverb today is, there's a sucker born every minute. Okay.